Is it too late to start your Amazon journey in 2021? The answer is absolutely not. See, so many people focus every single year. Oh, is it too late? Oh, is it too saturated? Oh, am I missing out? Is the well dried? Is all the gold mined? Have I missed my opportunity to sell on Amazon? And the answer is no. See, truth be told, the best time to sell on Amazon was 4 or 5 years ago when I started. The next best time to start is right now. Because if you don't start, you're never going to start. You're gonna fall victim to analysis paralysis, and you're always gonna find a reason why you shouldn't. See, if you really wanna do something, you'll find a way. If not, you'll continue to find an excuse. See, there's gonna be things that continue to happen politically, happen in the economy, happen on Amazon, in e-commerce, so on and so forth. And you just have to understand that, and you just have to respect that. And as things change and shift, you have to change and shift as well. That's just a part of being a business owner. Let's face it, if it was super easy, everybody would do it and everybody would be rich. But the 1% has what the 99% does not, because the 1% is willing to do what that 99% will not. And that's try something new. That's to get started and create a new business. It's scary, right? Because you're getting ready to do something that you've never done. But if you want results that you've never had, you must do something that you've never done. It's literally that simple. So this may not be the strategical answer that you were looking for, but this is an honest one. And I'm not just saying this because I'm the Amazon guy. I'm actively selling in Amazon and will continue to, and we are helping tens of thousands of people across the country just like you get started as well. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.